Hi creators, welcome to the channel. This is a quick video on how to delete the web calculator that was created using the GS2WP Calculator WordPress plugin. First thing you should note is, do not delete the database if you want to delete a calculator. The calculator is deleted on the same Google Sheet where you created. Database deletion will permanently delete all your calculators and other data. So, if the task is to delete a calculator, do not delete the database. That is not the solution. Let us now proceed to steps for deleting the calculator. Step 1. Open the Google Sheet on which you had created the calculator. Step 2. You should be on the calculator sheet that you want to delete. What it means is that if you have created two calculators, say A and B, and you want to delete the calculator B, then remain on the B sheet. Please do not delete the sheet. Step 3. Now, while on the sheet on which you have the calculator you want to delete, go to Menu, then GS2WP Calculator and hover on Settings. You will see many submenu, one of them is Delete Calculator. Press the Delete Calculator. Your calculator will be deleted after the confirmation. Now, you can create a new calculator. Isn't it easy? The same process is applicable for deleting the web calculator created out our GS2 Web Calculator framework. Visit heatpress.com for knowing more about the amazing SaaS-based product.